Hi, welcome to the business news update on the News Chronicle. My name is Ken Ibenne. Here are the top stories making headline. We have better glass dominates the Nigerian stock markets, leading with a massive 414 gain in the first half of 2025. 18 other stocks also posted triple-digit growth, showing strong investors momentum. Secondly, we have CBN eases Tier 1 capital requirements to give banks more breathing room ahead of the 2026 recapitalization deadline. The NGS breaks past 121,000 points as First Holdco surges nearly 10% in a single session, fueling fresh optimism in the equities market. CBN also clarifies BVN charges, assuring Nigerians that BVN, the bank verification number enrollment, remains absolutely free nationwide. And also we have the Walton family loses $6.3 billion in a single day after Walmart shares tumbled. This is one of the biggest daily paper losses for any billionaire family in 2025. And lastly, we have Africa's wealth divide deepens. A report reveals the continent's 4 richest individuals are now wealthier than 750 million people combined. Now, this is raising urgent questions about fairness, governance, and also public policy. So, for more business news and stories, visit www.thenews-chronicle.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video. See you same time next week.